Welcome. In this video, I'll perform the Hinge test for the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go. So, first of all, let's close the lid and let's try to open this device with just one hand and see whether it is possible. And as you can see, not at all. So, this is something we cannot do with this laptop, just like with most other Chromebooks. So now instead let's check the display tremble. As you can see, the tremble is really shows, and the display becomes stable after a couple of seconds if I hold the dock of it with my other hand, but if I don't, it will be trembling for about, well, maybe a second more. But yeah, generally speaking, it's alright, especially considering that this is a Chromebook. So now let's try to open the display all the way to see the maximum angle. And the maximum angle is accurate 180 degrees. So now let's try to close the lid. As you can see, the device closes very smoothly, and overall experience and feeling is very pleasant. This device uses a decent hinge that doesn't fulfill all the convenience requirements, but it's more than usable, and considering that it is just one huge solid hinge, I think it is very reliable. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.